In this video we will show you how to remove Mac Tuneup, potentially unwanted application, using Combo Cleaner. Mac Tuneup claims to enhance computer performance by cleaning junk files, removing unwanted software, and providing other system optimization-related functionality. Mac Tuneup is promoted using two methods: bundling, in example, fake flash player update, and intrusive pop-up ads that redirects to malicious websites. Mac Tuneup starts automatically on each system startup and performs a computer scan. After a quick scan, Mac users are presented with a list of errors, including reports about cache files, system logs, trash folder, and rogue apps.
Scan has completed. Warning: issues have been detected that need your immediate attention. Click on Start Repair to fix these issues.
Mac Tuneup's free version is supposedly unable to carry out this task. To resolve this, users are encouraged to pay for the full version. Despite these warning messages shown by Mac Tuneup, your system is probably optimized and error-free. This application is showing intrusive messages in order to generate revenue for its developers. You can remove the Mac Tuneup app manually by visiting Applications folder and Login items. However, other infected files remain in your system and might display various pop-up ads, as well as system messages afterwards. In order to completely remove Mac Tuneup unwanted application, we recommend to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner anti-malware. Visit combocleaner.com. Download and install antivirus for Mac. Double-click Combo Cleaner DMG file to mount it. Drag and drop Combo Cleaner to Applications. When installation finishes, close all windows and open your Launchpad to start Combo Cleaner. Confirm your actions by clicking Open. Wait until Database Update finishes and select Premium feature called Antivirus. Select Full Scan and click Start Scan. Combo Cleaner scans your system and detects all infected files. Once the computer is scanned, click Remove all threats. To finish cleaning process, Combo Cleaner prompts you to restart your Mac. Click Restart now. Thank you for watching.